Hey y'all, it's Kylie. You know what time it is. Iced coffee time. I'm going to see Mean Girls with my friends. But contrary to the movie, I like real nice girls, just so you guys know. Okay, here's some ice. I'm doing some of my Premier. I haven't had very much coffee yet today. I'm not sick. I just haven't had that much coffee today. Still got quite a bit of my shake left. Just because I haven't had very much yet doesn't mean there is still time in the day. Okay, I'm doing like a half a scoop of this cocoa powder. The cocoa pebbles powder. I'm doing half a scoop of that. Mainly so that I can have another half a scoop later if I want. I'm doing some coffee, which I use room temperature coffee when I'm doing my iced coffees. And then I'm going to add some, this is just some vanilla, and it is the Monin brand, the zero sugar. Also, we're trying a dinner place tonight that I've never ate at. I like trying new places. Okay. Perfect. A lot of people have been asking me what like the consistency of a blended coffee is, and honestly, it's kind of just like having like a coffee milkshake that's healthy, I guess. So, and then I'm topping it with whipped cream. And there we go. And I'm probably, honestly, y'all, probably not my last coffee of the day. Haven't had that much yet. Perfect. This is perfect. 10 out of 10. Okay. I love y'all. By the way, you guys always ask me what my measurements are. I have no clue. I measure with my heart every single time. Every time it's different, but it all tastes good to me, and I love y'all, and I hope you're having a really good Saturday.